Mr. We are tasked na to interview a teacher. Our first question, ma'am, is what strategies do you use to communicate regularly and effectively with parents about their child?
Okay. Communication with parents is important for students' progress, no? So the strategy that I usually use for my 9 years in teaching here in Cardina is connecting with parents through social media platforms, Messenger, and phone calls if they are not available, and text messages for them to be informed about their student, if their student is performing well in school or not, or their student is does a problem, so that's the strategies that I am using. But if they are unreachable, usually if their students are problematic, needs attention or needs help, so sometimes I do investigations.
How do you handle situations where parents are difficult to reach and understand?
So for parents that are difficult to reach or unresponsive, no? So they are not reachable or unresponsive, no?
Yes, ma'am.
So just a while ago, my answer a while ago, no? I usually go for home visitations for them to be informed of their students. Usually, those parents is also have a problem, maybe. That's all. Okay, collaboration with other teachers is important, is crucial for the progress of the students. If the student is performing well in their subject or not, so we need to collaborate in order for us to do some strategies or to help those students who needs help in terms of academic performance, no? So we need to have a plan, no? Plan for collaboration like the grade 9 teachers are doing. So we have a teachers conference after the parent-teachers meeting in order for us to identify those students who are at risk of dropping out, or students who are at risk or who are nanganganib, ma-retain ng mga estudyante. So, we are practicing that strategies for almost 5 years, consistent with ang grade 9. So, daghan mabiling sa grade 9 when the teachers collaborate. Sa inyo po, so yan, mga isikuhan, gusto niyo sa inyo. Nag-perform ba niyo? Wala po. Yung graduates ako, 65 po. No, for students' progress and for the students' growth and development or their learning development, the teachers should collaborate with each other. That's it.
Thank you.